Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be unboxing video. So I'll be showing you a few products what I've ordered, and yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys. And yeah, before going into the video, subscribe to my channel, and next you will find a bell button. Click it on so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload my video. And you can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box. So please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. So today's products are these from NYKAA. I have like 3 boxes, and I've ordered a few products from NYKAA on NYKAA sale, and I'm like really excited to see the products, and I'll just let you know guys the pricing and also yeah, let's just unbox this products. I always like NYKAA's packing because they actually double wrap the product with the bubble wrap, which is really secure. And yeah, so the first thing I got is the hair color, guys. You guys must have known, like if you guys follow me on my Instagram, and you guys will know that how much I'm obsessed with hair colors, and I just wanted to try this flame red and see how it works. I'm really excited and yeah, you can follow me on my Instagram to see how this color turned out on my hair, and yeah, and everything about this. So the next product we have is this Ayush Aloe Vera Cooling Face Gel. Let me tell you guys, this is such a budget friendly aloe vera, which is really good. I'm excited to try this because I never tried Ayush products, and this is on sale and you get so much of product. I just wanted to give it a try and see how it works, because I read like too many good reviews about this product, and you get so much of quantity. So yeah, wait for the review guys. And the other product what we have is this Inside Makeup Essential Stay Matte Liquid Foundation. I'm not sure about the shade. This is caramel shade. I think it is my shade, but I'm not sure, like 100% sure about this product. But yeah, I wanted to see how inside, because they have like mixed reviews about this product, and this is on budget. I will put all the links below in the description box if you guys are wondering, and you guys can check them out, and you know, if you like them you can also buy them. So yeah, this is the foundation. I'll be reviewing about this foundation too. And the other product is this hair repair spa protein treatment. This spa treatment, I always wanted to have a nice hair mask, and this is like BioCare products are like really budget friendly, and most of the salons they use BioCare products, and I wanted to see how it works. And this is monsoon season and you have to take care of your hair, so stay tuned for this too. So the other products are, I got this wax strips which are cheap compared to wheat. So I just wanted to try this out and see how it works, and I want to know whether these are better than wheat. So I got the the wax strips. I don't know why I got this. This is a perfume. Okay, this is from the brand Ramson's perfume. My dog is trying to sleep, so yeah, don't mind about that one. So I want to see how this smells. There were reviews saying that it is a good one, and it is really cheap perfume. So I wanted to give this a try. The other one is this eyeshadow palette from Miss Claire. This is a brown. I usually don't do colorful I usually don't do colorful eyeshadowing thing. I always go with the neutral and the brown thing. Only on occasion basis I just put some pop-up color to my eyes. So usually I love the browns, and there are like 6 colors in it. I just wanted to see and do a review about this too. Last but not least, who doesn't love lipsticks? I ordered 2 lipsticks, like they are on sale, like 2 lipsticks and you get the lipstick free. So I got 3 different shades. One is the brown, the other one is the maroon, and one is pink. So yeah, you get 3 lipsticks and they are like really budget friendly. These are like super good, super good. I just wanted to see and try how these lipsticks are. So these are all the products, guys, and it's like really messed up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a big thumbs up and comment below what you think about this product, and love you all. Take care. Bye bye.